Hey guys, is it recording?
Yeah.
Hey guys, we touched down in LA! Oh my god, to get to LA was a freaking trip.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, from like delay on our flight to waiting for my brothers to come pick us up, which was a mess.
They have to make over that intro.
And what?
Nah, keep it like that.
Crazy. And waiting for the shuttle. The first shuttle we were on was broken down, so they dropped us by Terminal 4. We had to wait for the other shuttle to come in. It was just a lot of hassle. Then we actually got to the wrong rental car spot because my brother was like down the block. So instead of walking 13 minutes, we had to Uber. Then when we got to the car rental, what happened at the Marriott? You guys couldn't rent the car or something?
Because I was under 24 or under 25.
Yeah, so my brother's under 25, and at 25 we have to you're able to rent the car and drive the car. But you need to have the person who's renting the car match the credit card.
Or you can only use a credit card or some weird shit like that.
Yeah. So they end up giving my brother this weird, Nissan?
It was a Chevy.
Burgundy Chevy
car. Trucks or something? I ain't never heard no shit like that in my life.
Let Kayla explain to y'all. It was dusty, okay?
Can you explain to the fans what the hell happened, please?
Bruh.
Give me my candy. Hold on, it's not focused. Where'd you go? Alright, there you go. Alright, bet.
It was looking real bad.
I'm saying.
Like, what's it?
Alright, bet.
It was bad.
It's like, you know when you go Dutch Road and biking and them thing there?
Yeah.
And Sahara Desert just take over.
Just take over.
The whole surface area mash up. Oh, gee, that's it. What is that? So the hair was real dirty.
Dirty.
It's not cute. Not demure.
Not very cute, not very demurty. Demurty.
That's the end of the vlog.
Okay, so y'all, it's we are outside, so we're going to stop by this amazing, popular vegan restaurant.
Can you guess what it is?
Can you guess? Comment down below what vegan restaurant in LA by La Brea Boulevard, I think. Comment down below. It's something we have back home in New York, but it's a vegan version. So comment down below. I want to see who can guess it right, and then I'm gonna show y'all where we are eating. I am starving. We haven't eaten in like 8 since like in the morning. No, we woke up super early this morning, so we're gonna try this. Excited. Outside. We can't. Let's see outside. Filming outside gets me a little nervous. Y'all, we made it to Mr. Charlie's. I know. We're gonna eat inside though. Kayla. Hi. Why are you so nervous, Kayla, huh? So many options you can have. Alright guys, so here is what we ordered today. Oh my god, out here is wild. So we got the 2 chicken nuggets, the frowny fries, 1 Mr. Royal with cheese, and then actually 2 Mr. Royal with cheese, 2 orders of chicken nuggets and frowny fries. Ah, I'm so excited. We gonna see if it lives up to the hype. Yeah, it's so cold. We packed for summer, but in LA right now is like cold as fuck. We got our vegan McDonald's. Oh shit, I'm excited. We're gonna try this in the car because it's getting dark outside and it's super cold, but I want to know why this is an upside down smiley face. Is it because it's vegan?
Bruh.
I don't know. But I'm excited to see what the hype is. Mommy's already eating her fries. You like the fries? 10 out of 10 fries. Okay. All right, Vicky, show the people what we got.
So I got the Royale burger combo with a drink and fries. So my burger has everything. I'm trying to grab it without messing it up.
So Vicky wanted to go here.
About because I love burgers.
Mr. Charlie's.
Good. Okay.
Okay.
That's what it looks like.
Okay, their bun is cute. It looks like the McDonald's bun.
Yeah, it has like the
sesame
seeds
on
the
it.
bun. That's cool. I'm trying to open this.
Careful, don't mess up your outfit. Oh, there we go.
Sauce is good.
I like flavor in my food, okay?
Flavor.
That's right.
Alright, honest review, what that taste like?
Questionable.
What kind of meat is it?
It's very light. Like there's no meat in there.
So it's not Beyond Meat. It's not
The
Impossible
texture
Patty.
is not like. Texture is more. It's too soft. Soft. It's very soft.
Ah, how's the flavor?
Not bad. It's not bad. It doesn't taste like McDonald's though. I've heard people say it tastes like McDonald's. People say that.
People said that
What
this
the-
is the vegan McDonald's. That's why there's an upside down smiley face.
Yo,
See right here, which I don't know what that is
Into a
about.
restaurant with a sad face,
Right?
that's already a red flag right there.
Can I try a bite?
I should have known. All right.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna try a bite. Let's see.
Wasn't that burger called the Frowny Burger? It makes you frown.
Stop taking
Wait,
bites
I'm
on
trying to take a
bites.
bite.
Why do you eat like that?
First of all, look
First of
how
all,
tiny
I'm
this is.
hungry. Take a small little
What
bite.
is that?
You're bugging out. Oh, goodness.
Yeah. The sauce just helped the flavor.
Yeah, that's why I put the sauce
Flavor
there.
was not there, y'all.
Other than that, yeah, it's okay.
But it's okay because I have.
Let's get your nuggets though.
I got my nuggets in here. I didn't want to get no burger because this morning we had like a Shake Shack burger for breakfast. So, ooh, let me get that napkin. I just wanted to do this nugget situation. Bow, 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 bow. So, guess how many nuggets I got, y'all? 17.
14.
Whoa, 14 nuggets. Okay, it looks like this. Looks like this. Simple Ray nuggets. It smells very oily.
It tastes like the McDonald's chicken nuggets.
Okay, this is not my usual vegan nuggets I would eat back home. It tastes very like chickeny though. See how it's thick?
It looks like
Inside
chicken.
is thick and less of the breading. Okay.
It'll be the one from home.
The one back home is better. You wanna try, mommy?
We all want to try.
No, yeah, sure. I know we some nuggets.
You said you got 17 nuggets. What's wrong with you? We're all gonna
14.
get one. One more.
Nah. Hold on. Let me try with the sauce.
Not
Or
bad.
flavor. You guys like it?
It tastes like nothing.
Tastes like nothing. I think the sauce helps.
It doesn't really, the flavor isn't too strong, but the
It
texture is
tastes like
good.
eating tofu without seasoning.
Yeah, it's like a tofu texture. Thank God for this sauce, child.
Bite me.
And I double checked the bag to make sure there was a sauce.
It's good with the sauce, I think.
But I got people in the car that want to be vegan, but they can't.
You're not even vegan.
I think the sauce will make it taste
Okay.
good. I like the dryness.
Overall, what would you say this is? Mr.
really
Charlie,
get it.
Vicky brought us some Mr. Charlie's, y'all. Okay,
But I
let me
wanted
just
to try
clarify
it.
that.
I would give it a 6.5.
Yeah, I would give it a 6. The fries, though, I have right here.
I ate all the fries.
The fries are
No,
salty.
that's not bad.
I like the
Let's
fries.
try the fries.
You can
I like how salty they are. They're the perfect amount of salt.
I like the fries. It's good.
I like these salt. These fries are good. 10 out of 10 for the fries. Nuggets for me were like a 5, and Vicky's burger
5.
5. Damn, Mr. Charlie's, you messed up.
So Charlie's was a Mr. Fail.
Disappointment.
Damn. All right. Comment down below, y'all, if you have tried Mr. Charlie's.
I mean, you could share.
Here at Erewhon, trying the Hailey Bieber smoothie for the first time. So let's see. Still good. Movie night, y'all. Movie night, y'all. What we watching? Step Up 2. This is Step Up 2, right? Okay. Oh my God, y'all. What are you eating? Them hard chips. Oh my God, Cassie. Yeah, I like her in this video. She looks so cute. What a night, y'all. Travel day today from 3 a.m. up until right now is 11:17 p.m. Long day, but it has been a great fun day, productive as well. Tomorrow and the weekend we have so many things planned, so time to get back to the hotel, freshen up, go to bed, and refresh for tomorrow's activity. I think we may go to the beach tomorrow, or we may hit Universal Studios. We shall see. But yeah, y'all could join us, of course, like always. Make sure y'all subscribe, like the video. What is Molly's favorite thing? Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe it. Until tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Time to get bright. Wait. Nobody pressed to go down. Beautiful. What are you getting for breakfast today?
Let's go to the other spot, the one that was closed earlier, and I think it's open now. This is 11.
We should definitely eat something, but I don't know what to eat. Maybe acai bowl or avocado toast. But Kayla doesn't like to be vegan. Kayla's so picky. It's hard for her to have something nice to eat, so
Something nice to eat is eating chicken and meat, not grass.
okay. She coming for us vegans. Can you believe that? She's coming for us vegans, y'all.
Sorry.
She crazy. Yo. Cheers to Vicky's birthday celebration. Abundance, love, manifestation. 28. 28. Purple or champagne? Outside again. We made it to Manhattan Beach. Beach day. Made it to Manhattan Beach. It's so packed in here. We're gonna see what's happening on this side. Vibes, vibes. It's hot. Where are you going? You be doing that? Yeah. Take me over. I can't see. Oh, okay. Nice views.
You don't want to go too close to them.
Far away from them. This is definitely where they shot that movie, Baywatch. The new one, for sure. Bye!
It is such a beautiful day today. It's super hot
here.
A lot of people are out here and just enjoying the weekend, the weather. Kayla, are you excited for this beach day? No? She's a Caribbean girl, so she don't want to get in this water, but honestly the water looks really clear and blue, so it shouldn't be that bad. And there's people in the water too. Woo, child, your girl is about to be tan. Oh, who brought this empty bottle? We took some mimosas from brunch, but this one is empty. That one is full. Okay, so we're gonna do a cheers. so pretty. Y'all could not wait. What? You hungry? What'd you get? A salmon.
That was good.
Mommy got her shrimp.
Are we singing happy birthday or are we okay?
Oh, it's okay. You know what? Happy birthday? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna make it. Oh, we'll take a photo like that. Hold on. Okay, ready to a brookie. Take it all in.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl.
That's actually really cute. Oh my goodness. Yeah, good thing you didn't wear it.
So funny.
So,
Oh my god, I wore that dress yesterday for dinner.
Oh no way.
Everyone, yeah. Should I get shoes?
I should get shoes.
This jacket and set. Like very fashion.
And this is a set, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, that is really cute. We should try that one on actually.
Short, no? No man, no. The bear is so cute. Look.
Very cutesy, very cute. Do you guys like this dress? This little tight princess mini dress. I really like the denim, but look, the zip back here is gonna zip down. So I can't trust, but it looks really good. Yeah. Okay. Next outfit. Let me know when you want to come again. Oh yes, definitely. I'm from New York, so I'm like I have to come here. Oh, visit the showroom because I always wanted to come here. Please, thank you. Let me know. Yeah, I'm so happy. Thank you. All right, have a good day. You too. Good morning, guys. Today's our last day in LA. Oh my god. We go back home tomorrow morning super early. Our flight is at like 5:55 a.m. So today's gonna be a very chill, relaxed, calm day. We just finished doing a glute focused workout, me and my sister, and now we're going to have some breakfast, chill at the pool, vibe out, relax, and enjoy, because later tonight we're gonna like hang out as well. But overall, guys, this LA trip has been so amazing. It went by super quick, to be honest. I was not expecting it to go like this. And we touched down on Friday, and now it's Tuesday. I'm reading this book, guys. It's called Smart Women Finish Rich. This book is so good, by David Bach, and it really talks about how women have to invest in themselves, not depend on men for like financial stuff. Like they have to do these things on their own, and it's very inspiring, and I really love this book a lot. I'm learning so much. I'm almost done with it. Probably have like a few pages left. Make sure you guys grab this book right now and thank me later. Bye. Birthday girl soon. Tomorrow. 20 great. 20 great. Comment below happy birthday to Vicky. Then we got Kayla. You ready for the pool? Ready? Departing our LA hotel this morning, heading to the airport. Tired, but it was a great trip. You guys had fun? We sure did. Everyone's half asleep. We cannot talk right now. Okay, y'all. See you guys in the next video.